Hello guys, welcome back to the AG channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make viral content on all these success and inspirational shows. Before we continue, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you. So watch this video.
Success isn't luck, it's discipline, consistency, and the courage to keep going when quitting feels easier.
So you see, this video that I made is absolutely wonderful, but I want to try to make this video. But first of all, look at these channels that are like you. Just look at this beautiful YouTube channel having millions of followers by just posting quotes. It does not really make shorts, but it has much of videos. And if you see thousands of shorts that other people are making, you see millions of views, 30 million views. Don't you think you can be like them by just following this easy tutorial? How to make wonderful videos like this that you have just seen. So first of all, we are going to go to our Pixabay, and in Pixabay we are going to first choose a wonderful background that is going to suit it. You can either go for roads, anything, but just make it from nature before we could get the script. So make it to be a video. Make sure it's going to be a video by clicking on this icon and putting video, and you see a lot of videos is going to come out. You can either edit it on Canva, but me, I'm not editing on Canva, I'm just going straight to it. So I like this video about these trees, so I'm going to choose it. I'm going to click download. You can also play it, but the music doesn't really make much to us, so we'll just keep it going. So yes, we'll just go with this. So you're going to put it on 180, or we can change it to 720, anyone that is going to fit the mobile. We are going for the second and 1080 resolution since it has just a small. So it will load for a while, and they will give you an option to either donate. You want to donate, buy personal file, and see the file is already downloading. You can download other this thing for more videos, but we'll just be going for this since this is a tutorial video. And after this, you'll see we are going, and so now we have downloaded the background. We'll go to the next step. The next step is to generate a wonderful voiceover or script for this video. For that, we are going to be using ChatGPT to generate the tags. So we'll go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate us a motivational speech about success. So ChatGPT is going to generate us a wonderful this thing here, and you see, but it's too long, so we'll tell ChatGPT to shorten it for us, make it a short and punchy, and we already selected it, so we'll just select it, copy it, and go to Chrome. We'll go to this website called luvoice.com. Luvoice.com is a free voice text.
Success isn't luck, it's discipline, consistency, and the courage to keep going when quitting feels easier. Every failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone. Success belongs to those who show up daily, who push one more time, and who refuse to let fear win.
Actually, the voice sounds good. So, but to make this video spicy, we need one thing we haven't created. Guess it, but just tell you, we need a wonderful background music that will fit to the rhythm of the. So we are gonna just go to Pixabay to generate this for us. A beautiful no copyright background music that is just playing. Is gonna be giving the person so you just choose one you want. So it sounds good. So we'll just go on. You can choose your favorite editor. I'm going with Capcut to use this and make this wonderful tutorial. Now I like this one, so we'll be going with it. So having got to join all this together with our favorite video editing tool, I'm using Capcut. You can use Canva, anyone you want, Filmora. Me, I'll just use Capcut. So I'm gonna go here. We're gonna select what you want. We'll just select this tool. Then here we'll now mute everything. You have to mute the clip so that the music going on in that this will not show. So we can easily search for our voiceover scripts, and you can choose the one that you want and go for this. So seeing that it does not really fit with this thing, we'll just shorten it a bit and duplicate it, and you see that it's okay like this. So we could just delete this part since it does not really make much. And having got this, we'll now add our background music by still going to the sounds Then we'll go here and put this. For the magic to be okay, we don't add caption because caption is just only just watching the post and know what the person is talking about. It will just be understanding what the person is doing before you put them. This way, you also have to add something like a beautiful font that's going to also add the captions. For me, I like to add animations for captions. This is what we have as this. You also have editing. You can change whichever contrast you want. So just edit it. You can choose whichever aspect ratio that you want to use for this video. Then whenever you want, you can also export it. You know, rendering, do anything. So this video will not actually look good. Like you have to add something like your brand, like your watermark, so that people won't easily use your media without you knowing. So this is it. We have a wonderful, beautiful. Let's just reduce it a bit. Just reduce the watermark a bit, or you can make it opaque. You can remove reduce the opacity. You just change everything. Choose whichever effect you want to use for it. Use your style. Just the watermark, so you just make it to be smaller. Reduce the size a bit, and then you have it. If you are good with it, you can easily export. So I'm good. I'll just go in for the exporting, and it doesn't even take quite long. It's going to export, and when it does, you see that we have our video set out for you to watch. Thank you.
Success isn't luck, it's discipline, consistency, and the courage to keep going when quitting feels easier. Every failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone. Success belongs to those who show up daily, who push one more time, and who refuse to let fear win.